In this video, we are going to discover the advantages of using the predefined RAUPIANO Plus template. By using the RAUPIANO Plus template, you save a lot of time, which is normally spent on preparing views, component lists, and copying pipes and fittings. In the REHAU validation view, you can find out graphically whether a fitting should be adjusted in order to be found in our product lists, or whether standard fittings or pipes have been used. REHAU products are displayed in green. REHAU customized products, which need to be reviewed, are shown in red, and non-REHAU products are shown in black. In this template, you will also find predefined schedules for pipes and fittings. On top of that, you can use the Dynamo script directly. The needed shared parameters are already assigned. Another advantage: labels for pipes and fittings are predefined with many options. In the next video, we will learn how to start a new project with the REHAU template. Thanks for watching. You can find more BIM tips and tricks on the BIM at REHAU channel.